A firstborn man, a lastborn girl. Luo law says no, but the elders found a loophole nobody talks about. In Luo tradition, marriage follows order. Eldest first, then the rest follow. For both sons and daughters, skip the line and it's queer, a taboo. But life doesn't always follow order. Picture this, a firstborn man under pressure to marry so his younger brothers can follow, and a lastborn girl whose elder sisters are still unmarried. Two traditions colliding. So what did the elders do? They didn't break the law, they bent it with wisdom. The man still pays dowry, but not at the girl's home. Her father sends him to an uncle, a brother whose own children are already married. That homestead becomes the meeting ground. There, the dowry is received, chicken is eaten, the entourage leaves. To the outside world, he has married. His brothers can now nyombo. The path is open. But here's the twist. This is not yet complete. Before I tell you how it's finally completed, I want to say thank you to everyone who's already grabbed a copy of the Complete Guide to Traditional Luo Marriage Customs. You are helping keep these stories alive. If you haven't yet, don't be left behind. The link is in my bio. Or inbox me. Inside, we go even deeper into nyombo and the customs your grandparents lived by. Now, back to our man. In Luo culture, nyombo is only completed when the husband eats chicken at the girl's actual parents' homestead. No shortcut, but there's a rule within the rule. The last-born girl's husband cannot do this before her eldest sister's husband does it first. So he waits. Only after the eldest sister brings her husband home and chicken is eaten there can the younger sister's husband finally return to complete his own nyombo, the traditional way. Only then is it truly finished. Order was sacred, but so was love, and the elders found a way to honor both. This is Echoes of the Luo. Thank you.